Hey guys, welcome back to Palette Therapy. If this is your first time stopping by, my name is Keela. If not, thank you for the support. In today's video, we will be reviewing this gorgeous honey blonde wig. I hope you guys are ready for this blonde wig series that I'm about to bring to you guys because it is fire. I have some nice synthetic and human hair wigs that are getting ready to come in this series, so I hope you guys are ready for it. I feel like I am stepping out of my comfort zone trying these different colors, so I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. If you are, comment down below and let me know that you are. Go ahead and like this video. I will make sure I have all the details listed down below. Now let's get into it. Okay, y'all, so I am back with another wig video. This time this will be a part of my blonde wig series, so I am excited for that. So for the next few weeks, probably the next month and a half, every Thursday I will be dropping a different shade of blonde. So you guys make sure y'all are tuned in. Make sure you're already subscribed to the channel because you don't want to miss that. So the wig I will be reviewing today is from the Outre Melted Hairline. Y'all know Outre is a friend of mine over here. I love Outre wigs, so that's right up my alley. Today, this wig, her name is Kamalia, or Kamalia, however you guys want to say it, or Kamalia. You know, this is how you say it though. This is what the card looks like. The color will be in DRFF4 Hazelnut Honey. I will have what she looks like straight out of the box playing right here for you guys to check that out as well. So this is the color and the curls. She is a long girl. Now y'all, she is a long girl. It does already come with this part, just so you guys know. Y'all know sometimes I'm a fan of those, sometimes I'm not. This particular wig, the part comes on the side that I like for my hair to be parted on, so I am super duper excited about this because let me tell y'all, it is hard to find parts, you know, that is on this young left side, because some people don't typically wear their hair like that. They either wear the busted down middle part or they wear it to the, you know, right. But for me, I love a left-handed or a left-sided part. Listen to me saying left-handed. Maybe I like that because I am left-handed. Fun fact, I'm left-handed. So yeah, but this is from the Melted Hairline. I didn't go in and pluck anything. I have already added the foundation to the inside of it. So that is the only thing I did, was cut the lace off and I added foundation to the inside. She does come with an adjustable strap, so you can wear this glueless or without any spray. I do love how thin the parting is right there. So you don't have to go in and pluck anything unless you absolutely want to. Now I can tell by the back, this is a breathable stretch material, so you want to be careful. So far it looks like if you part it down the middle you don't see any tracks, so that's good, because you want to be cautious of that when you are wearing a synthetic wig. This is a synthetic wig. Most of the wigs that I get from Outre are synthetic. So let's go ahead and install her and see what she's looking like. Okay, y'all, so I'm just gonna jump straight out there and tell y'all, like, this is absolutely one of my favorite wigs. Like, look at this color on my skin. So look how long it is. You can see the length here. I have some of, let's see if I can pull some of the curls so it'll be the same length on both sides. Okay, so this is, y'all, this wig is beautiful. Like, I don't even, look at the color. This is the perfect holiday wig. Like, this is giving me, let me show up to the in-laws, you know, let me go out for dinner with the girls. This is giving me, what is it, New Year's, Times Square vibes. I mean, girl, this is a glam wig. Like, she is pretty, she is cute. So I did get a little bit of shedding, and that could be just because you guys saw me cutting the little excess lace off that I didn't like. That could be from that, or it could be because it is a synthetic wig. So some synthetic wigs do shed, you guys know that. But y'all, I am obsessed with this wig. This was the perfect wig to bust out the blonde series with. Like, she is giving, oh my gosh. And it helps that it already comes with a part, so I didn't even have to do that. All I had to do was just throw it on. And y'all see, I don't even have any adhesive on. So what would she look like if we threw a little adhesive on her, you know? This is a glueless wig, guys. Like, literally, she's a glueless wig. So come through, Outre, come through. This melted hairline has been giving all the vibes, and this color is giving even more. Would I recommend? Yes, 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10, go get her. I don't recommend a lot of videos 10 out of 10. I do have some that I give 10 out of 10. You know, if I give it a 10 out of 10, I like it. I really, really like it. And this is one that I really, really, really like. Like, this is a great Christmas wig, holiday wig. Like, this was the perfect wig to pull out the blonde series on. Like, she is giving. So if you guys would consider, you know, getting this wig, comment down below and let me know. Tell me what you think about this color. I love a good ombre color. I think Outre did a great job ombreing this. I mean, it blends in. It's perfect. I don't even have anything, you know, negative to say. The only thing that I can say is that, like I said, I am getting some shedding. I didn't get any tangling, but I am getting some shedding. As you guys can see, that's this right here. But that's not very much for how long this wig is again. So you guys can see how long it is. But this color is giving me everything that I needed to give. So I am pleased. I am happy. I will make sure I have the details down below so you guys can go ahead and purchase it, because I know you're going to want her. I know you're gonna want her. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I post videos every Sunday and Thursday, and you don't want to miss them. It is the holiday season, so I am dropping videos left to right that are holiday themed. This is the perfect blonde wig to open up the blonde wig series, so I'm excited about that. I'm excited about the Christmas looks that are coming. I'm excited about all the videos that are coming. So I hope you guys are ready for what we're about to experience here. If you are, make sure your post notification bell is on as well, because you don't want to miss anything. As always, you guys, thank you for the support. I hope you're enjoying these holidays. I hope everybody is getting along and everything is merry. Christmas is one of my favorite times of the year, so I hope you guys are just, you know, living your life and having fun. As always, thank you guys for the support, and I will catch you in my next one. Peace.